tell you about the data what you need to put in the Gantt chart. Okay, what you need to input for a Gantt chart. So number one is scope baseline that involves scope statement, work breakdown structure, and work breakdown dictionary. So scope statement that is in the scope baseline. We have discussed that what is in the project, what you need to do. Okay, for example, if I'm making any website, if you are doing any project of a website, for example, so uh, is this website static or dynamic, is the website, how many pages they have, and which platform you will use, which language you will use to create that website. All the information come under the scope statement. Okay, so in a scope statement you will define the project scope baseline, then work breakdown structure. As we have discussed earlier that we need to break the work into smaller components. We will decompose the work into smaller parts to make it more effective and to do work on timely basis. So in project baseline you need to have a scope statement, what you are going to do in this project. Okay, what is the scope of the project, and then work breakdown structure, what is the uh, work breakdown is dictionary. Also, if any word that you are not familiar with, you need to put it in the WBS dictionary. Okay, all the short form or all the words and vocabulary that is connected with your project. And then coming to define decomposed activity. As we have discussed earlier, it involves activity list, activity attributes, and milestone list. So again, activity list, you need to mention all the works that you need to do in the project. For example, even the small things, for instance, if in web development you are making different pages, for example about us page, and then gallery page, and then contact us page, and then integrating map, integrating social media channels, making for example YouTube or TikTok or something. So what are the activities you need to put in the list also? And activity attributes and milestone list. Milestone, as we have discussed earlier, also the main thing, the benchmark, the threshold that we are doing in the project is the milestone list. Okay, so for example in construction site, for example, if anyone is doing the uh, like for example if builder is building a house, so number one milestone is designing of the project, number two is implementation of the project, number three is for example delivery of the project, delivery of the house, and then we can make sub milestone, for example the construction of the land, the construction of the building, and then construction of the landscape step by step, and so on. So these are just the example, guys. If you have any other example